Let's go.
Hello everyone. Today I got a new voice because I don't feel like using my regular voice for today.
So today we're going to be playing some
Breaking Point as a Wallow. I've been playing some scary games. I just don't know why.
Okay, we're going to play some Breaking Point for you guys.
I'm gonna come with Grandpa to get not now though, but I will be still in the call. But it's just I might be disconnected. I will rejoin. The noodle hair too. James the noodle hair too.
I just woke up too.
Yeah, there's two noodle hairs. Well, there's actually three because a Bree, she has curly hair as well. So that counts three. Christian, you, James, and Bree. I've got curly hair. I think this skin gives me a vibe. We never know. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
So this is Mia right here. She has Robux,
Yes, I have.
but
I didn't play this morning. I was playing Adopt Me. Guess what, James?
what?
I got avocado back.
You got avocado back?
Yes.
What'd you trade it for?
So I traded my Arctic Ranger for a albino monkey and some other stuff. And then I traded my albino monkey for the avocado, a neon bee of a ride in another monkey. It's fully grown.
For just an albino monkey?
Yeah.
Dang!
Be so extra.
I have an albino monkey, but still, dang.
Well, they being so extra with it, and it's also fly and ride.
Dang.
The turtle.
Dang. Like the big avocado.
Like remember when I only had avocado?
Yeah.
Avocado was a fly ride pet to me, and then I got a ride one, and then I traded it, and then I got a kangaroo. For the kangaroo, I got an Arctic reindeer out of that.
Yeah, those are real nice.
I traded my kangaroo for an Arctic reindeer. Like, who wants to trade the Arctic reindeer for a kangaroo? Like, what the heck? Who does that?
Around the house, dressed in.
Heard me, Jay?
Yeah, I heard you.
I like the top is loose.
Bro,
You know what I'm talking
who
about?
does
And then
that?
they dig it.
Yeah.
Dumb enough to trade a Arctic reindeer for a freaking kangaroo. Like, what the heck? Freaking.
My,
No! No. No? I don't really trust it. I can tell who has the gun because I can look at their hands. Look at your little feet just dangling.
Oh, no, but you can't do that. I hear done it too. I hear throw them in there
I'm
just.
putting on my radio so people.
I'm gonna make it go crazy. Do you see my arm going crazy?
Yeah. It is going crazy.
But I hear throw them in there.
I'm keeping up the radio so people don't think I'm the killer.
Yeah, I'm gonna. You can. I'm just having the radio.
Yeah, take it out just in case. So
I'm
people.
just covering my face. I look so dark when I cover my face. Look, you don't see my face, right?
Yeah.
I have an equip. I still have an
Oh
equip.
God, I think it's this guy right here.
I don't know.
People's voting for me.
Just stand like you're AFK. Don't move. Don't move. This is the AFK trick when I was the killer. I think I know who it is. It's that guy right next to you on your side.
Okay.
or no?
No, it's not.
It's a guy out across the table.
Yep. Wait, what the? That guy teleported back in his chair.
What the heck? It has to be him. You never know. Please, no. You're the one who's looking sus because I don't see his hand moving. The other.
Let's go.
See how I know is because you have to read their hand. Because the guy who was right next to you, his hand didn't move. And I was so thinking if the thing hard enough to know this.
Dreadlock's not second place anymore. But
He's on plane again. What is going
But
on
when-
with Drylock
but then when he starts playing, he's on second place.
already? Like in 1 second, he's on second place. Oh,
Oh, I saw that
oh
guy.
my god, that scared me so
Yeah.
bad. Scared me so bad.
Who's the
I
bacon?
don't want to kill you. Oh, they saw your hand.
I have a radio.
I know, but that's cool. You can, no one can notice you.
It'll cover your hand.
Honestly.
Cause when you shoot, the radio will cover the thing. When you
They were like, what the heck?
when you shoot the radio, the gun will be in the radio.
I shared too early.
Way too early. Oh, he's probably AFK. Oh, never mind. I died.
Oh crap! Rest in peace. Rest in peace, James. Rest in peace.
Comment, rest in peace.
Rip.
Robbie's
Rip
super
it.
pies. No back. They were so good.
Oh my god, that one was loud.
You put cake in it.
Oh, she glitched.
Oh no, one of them. He's gonna. I know one of them is gonna shoot.
No!
That sucks. Rest in peace, me.
Rest in peace of me. Spam that in the chat, guys.
Say we're noobs. Who's name Benjamin Pro 7? What kind of name is that? Like what the heck? What is that name?
I don't
This
know.
outfit looks cute. No, I'm not friending you. You think I'm a noob, right? Huh? Well, why do I have a radio? I didn't snatch it from someone. I got it myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't act stupid, okay? Oh
And
my
I-
god, why does everyone have to look like this? The girl right next to me
Yeah.
with the blonde hair. Every time when I play a game, this girl pops up. I'm like, what the heck? I gotta go after this round. Random. Oh, she gotta go.
Oh.
Bye bye.
She's a chaser anyways.
She's gonna.
But she gotta go now.
She didn't even do anything.
Guess what, Amia?
What?
I only have a couple more weeks till school ends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I can fight, and then we can get our credits up, and then
Yeah, cause in the summer
go to
we,
the pool.
cause in the summer we see each other a lot.
Yeah, especially a lot. Like all month, all day, like every single day.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the day, we can leave, and then tomorrow we come back.
Yeah.
That's just so epic.
Yeah. So
Summer's the best month ever.
summer is 3 months.
I know. That's 3 months of summer. That is amazing.
And then we have to go back to school.
Which is stupid.
That easy kill.
I wish summer was forever. Risky. Yeah, that's risky, dude.
He picked the bacon.
No! Why did you pick that bacon? No. You're not supporting the bacon team. That's not okay.
I'm killing him.
You just-
I'm killing him. He's not supporting the bacon community. And he's in first person. That's easy.
Okay. Easy.
He's in first person. It's easy where he's going.
Because we know I was
I revenge. Oh,
Dang!
Yes.
I'm going.
Give me
I'm a 1v1. I'm a 1v1 him if I die. Oh, she's on mobile. I think this guy's aimbotting. This guy's aimbotting.
Okay, let's go to duels.
Go to duos.
Duels? I'm already in duels.
I'm surprised I'm not lagging. I'm not lagging while I'm recording, but in the YouTube video, it looks like I'm lagging, but I'm actually not.
But tell them that I'm not lagging. It's just after when I'm recording and the video plays, it looks like that I'm lagging.
Yeah, they could hear you, man. They could hear you. So you could talk. They could hear you.
Bees get upstairs in the bathroom. They have bees all over the place. Because they how sit up so high. They get bees every year.
Yes,
Spooky,
sir.
scary skeletons and shiver down your spine.
I'm gonna be lagging. I do not know how am I lagging so bad.
Excuse me.
Nasty boy. Nasty.
When I was in Buffalo, I drank all of the Coca-Cola and I burped so loud.
They plant to come back every year.
Coca-Cola and Pepsi taste the same.
Yeah,
See what they are.
they taste the same.
Like my mom says no.
Smothered with.
That's-
They actually do.
That's what my mom says.
But they
Because of Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola has a little more sugar than Pepsi.
So they still taste the same.
Oh, you know what else I learned too?
Yeah, they still taste the same.
When you're doing
What
it,
the heck?
don't pour the whole cup in there
Coca-Cola and
all at
Pepsi
once.
Graham, make them different. We're gonna
They
get
being
confused.
stirred each time.
No,
Don't pour the
that's a
whole
Pepsi.
bunch.
Oh, boy, give me
Don't
Coke
pour the whole
that
cup
I
in there. No, we always just pour the whole cup in there.
Both of them bacons are spam jumpers and they have Azure.
Then pour
Wow,
the other. You know what I'm talking about?
Double Trouble. Yeah.
double the
That'll
trouble.
be a new name. Double Trouble Bacons.
That should be a game mode. I'm gonna make a group when I get more Robux, so people could join our group.
I haven't got Robux in a while. Sorry, Bacon. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, bacon. We still get them dubs.
First round was successful.
Yep. First
We won
round.
the first round.
First round we
Which
won.
is we never win the first round.
That's our first time.
That's our first time winning the first time. That doesn't make no sense. What am I saying?
Of course we go first. Got one. Got one.
You sure you don't want egg?
I'm trying to get this girl.
Headshot, you. Oh, that first
Got one.
knife that I threw to her, that was so close hitting.
No, I got chased.
You should have been by him.
And I didn't know he was gonna spawn up. It's a surprise.
Dude. Oh no.
I should have stayed with you. Oh my god.
I would just be the little more.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Ah, leave me alone.
Second round, not successful. Failed.
Yeah, that was a
Then
loss.
she should have
The
put red.
stupidest loss ever. Well, I did good though. We did good.
We did good at it.
Yeah, but you got spawned? Dude, you just got killed right away.
If I didn't get spawned, we would have won.
You should have stayed.
Can I offer for Rebel?
Can I
Yes.
offer for Rebel?
Yes.
Sure.
Um,
What is he offering?
Okay. Let me offer. What does he want to offer? He's in a trade session.
So, Ash,
Bro, that's just
His
trash.
name is
Just turn
Epic
off the
Gamer,
trades.
right? Yeah.
Don't trade him. Just ignore him.
He's in a trade session. You're in the trade session.
Nope.
Trade meh.
No. Say no.
He's trading me Skyline and Pink Spins and Aqua. No,
That's not a
that's not a good trade. I'm sorry. Nope.
bad trade.
Bad trade.
Bro, I didn't even notice that he was